Hey guys, welcome to a really special unboxing. I'm James Deacon, and this here, this is a knife. Okay, this here is the main event of the evening. What's inside? You're gonna find out in just a little second. But I'm gonna give you a little hint. It's probably the most wanted gadget of 2019. What is it? Come on, you already know, right? If you've been following this and you haven't been hiding under a rock, you will know that everyone wants a Note 10. Look, it's got my name on it, James Deacon, right? So I'm gonna why do we have two? There's two in here. Why is there two? Oh my God, no. Abendsons, don't play jokes like that. That's not funny, all right? I'm telling you, you better not be kidding around. You know, these guys will get pretty mad at you if you try to play a joke like that on them. All right, I'm too excited. There's bubble wrap everywhere. I feel I'm gonna burst myself. Okay, let me fast forward this. Aha, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Who do I look at? I don't even know who to look at. I'm so excited. Note 10 Plus. This one had my name on it, so I guess this one goes to me, but this one here will be the raffle. But why don't we unbox this, okay? This is what I'm going to unbox, this one right here. And then from there, I'll show you how you can get that, all right? It's as simple as remembering a very, very simple promo code or hashtag, all right? Just remember that. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to win it by the end of the video. Do not accept if seal is broken. Never accept that. Do not accept imitations. And this is why it's so important to shop at a reputable store. And this is why I go to Abendsons now for all my smartphones, because I used to get all like my TVs and stuff like that. This was got taken at Abendsons. Actually, all my TVs were purchased at Abendsons. And now it's my go-to for smartphones because, well, the fact that it's a very easy place to shop. They take care of you. The ambiance, I don't like the hustle and bustle. The staff know what they're talking about. And they offer installments. So, you know, that's super cool. That's already a big deal. Look how shiny this thing is, right? Now this here, being the Note Plus, is a 6.8 screen. Now that may be a little bit big for some people. That's why they have just the Note 10. But I don't even want to peel this off because it's just so shiny. It seems like such a sin to touch it. I put a fingerprint on it already. That is so, ooh. Okay, so now let's look at the front. This thing got a beautiful display. Now, if you don't think Samsung's got great displays, then please explain why their main competitors use the same display as Samsung, right? They actually buy it from Samsung. All right, these are slightly different to the normal headphones that normally come with it. All right, and they've got the in-ear buds if you like that kind of stuff. It's very isolating, the sound. I prefer this when I'm really like listening to music or I'm trying to sleep or on an airplane because it cuts out all the sound. It's not noise canceling, but it helps. Ooh, I love these things. Oh, these are the super fast charging things. You gotta have this on every smartphone that you get now. This is the basic standard. You shouldn't go lower than this, all right? Smart charging and super fast charging. Nowadays, this is so important. Okay, so here's the deal. This is the all-new Samsung Note 10. It has got some tremendous features like the low light capability is really, really good because it's got a dedicated night mode. It's also got the stylus pen, and that's what separates it from pretty much anything else on the planet because it's just the way it also works. It just tucks in nice and neatly here, and this is already several generations into it, so they know what they're doing. They've ironed out all the kinks, and this becomes like a real personal assistant. Like you won't need your tablet anymore. I know because the last time I had the Note 8, I had to give up my tablet because there was just no point. I was just walking around with too many gadgets, and this one gadget did everything. You've got an incredible camera, front and rear. You've got, of course, now standard cameras here that give you the zoom and the wide as well. And now it's also got 21 hours of battery life. That's assuming that, of course, you're running video on airplane mode. That's how they test it nowadays. So let's skip straight to the juicy bits. We know that's what you're here for, right? You want to win it. Not this one, but the other one is still in the box, still sealed, all right? So here's how it's going to work. Just put in the comments box Abenson X James Deacon. Use it as a hashtag, all right? And the only reason I'm doing that is because this code will serve you very well in the future. If you want to buy this phone online, you just go to abenson.com and you use that promo code, Abenson X James Deacon. Now, if you use that, you will get a free Samsung Fit E smartwatch, right? It's that easy. But if you want to buy it at the store, just go into any of these branches that we're listing now, from 23 to 25. You can buy it in store just by showing a screenshot of this video. You will get the Samsung Fit E watch. Now, that's not available to anyone else except people watching this video. That's you. That's right. So just screenshot this bit, show it to the Abenson staff, 23 to 25. Go to these Abenson stores here that you see listed, and you will get the free Samsung Fit E smartwatch. September 2, we're going to draw it all out, so you could be the lucky one. I can't wait. I'm super excited.
Good luck.